Now, Wrike is meant for teams of any size. The pricing scales from free for general task management to professional for more advanced project planning and collaboration to business, enterprise, and pinnacle solutions for complex workflows and analytics tools. It's used by tech companies, marketing departments, social media organizations, and more by more than 20,000 businesses globally. Let's briefly cover a few of the main components of Wrike, starting with spaces, folders, projects, and tasks. Spaces is the top level organizational tool that lets you manage your people, tools, and work assets in a cohesive way. You can set up your spaces however it makes sense for you by team or project type, by client or region, or any other method. Within each space, you can invite members to collaborate with seamlessly across remote, hybrid, and in person teams. And then it's all about setting up a structure to make each space a highly collaborative working environment. Next up, you have folders. Now, similar to folders on your computer, these are the buckets that you can use to organize your space by type of work or client or urgency or any other method. Inside folders are projects. Projects typically contain several tasks, each with deadlines that all serve a single goal. You use projects to track higher level progress of several moving parts. And then finally, there's tasks, which are short term items that make up the components of larger goals. These are the things that need to happen to bring a project to completion. Each task can be assigned to a collaborator with a deadline to break down individual responsibilities. In Wrike, you can view your workspace in a number of different ways. For example, as a list, as a table, as a board, or as a Gantt chart. You can switch between these views for different reasons in different phases of project management. For example, you can use the Gantt chart to visualize your project schedules by looking at all of your tasks with durations and stakeholders. You can also connect tasks together, which is really helpful in big picture planning. Wrike also lets you set up dashboards to organize your work progress. Dashboards are where you can add widgets that correspond to projects or tasks or files. And this is a great way to get a high level view of what your team is working on and then organize it accordingly. Wrike has dynamic collaboration and communication tools in software where teams have a clear sense of what they're working on and who they're working with. The My To Do Smart folder, for example, is a really useful way to see everything that's been assigned to you. There's also some impressive analysis tools where you can build reports from scratch using a report wizard. You can then share interactive real-time reports with your team. Some of Wrike's main competitors are Smartsheet, Hive, Jira, Trello, and Asana. Each of these solutions offers different advantages. Some of Wrike's are its ease of use, customizability, scalability, and its highly visual interactive interface with dynamic views like the Gantt chart. Wrike has been around since 2006, so it has a deep foundation in the project management space. It's currently trending because it's proven to be an effective tool as the future of work has been redefined during recent years of heavily increased remote work. This includes managing complex project phases, as well as agility at collaborating seamlessly across those remote, hybrid, and in-person teams. Feel free to go to Wrike.com for a 2-week free trial.